Hello children, I hope you are healthy and safe at home. Today we will talk about chapter number 6, fractions. And in this chapter we will talk about representation of a whole, comparison of fractions, like fractions and unlike fractions. So let's start. Representation of a whole. Just look at here. This is a whole part. This is 1. If we will divide it into 8 equal parts, it will look like this. If we will divide it in 3 equal parts, it will be like this. If we want to represent only one part, it will be 1/3, 1 by 3. And if we want to represent one part of this, it will be 1 by 8. If we want to represent 2 part, it will be 2 by 8. 3 part, it will be 3 by 8. Next is comparison of fraction. So if we are having two fraction 3 by 8 and 2 by 3, how we can compare these two fractions? 3 by 8 means 8 equal part of the whole. It will be like this. And 2 by 3 means 3 equal part of the whole. It will like this. If we want to represent 3 by 8, 3 parts will be shaded, and if we want to represent 2 by 3, 2 part of this will shaded. Now if you will make a close observation, you can easily get that this part is less than this. So we can make a less than symbol here. So 3 by 8 is less than 2 by 3. Therefore, we can write 3 by 8 is less than 2 by 3. Next is like fractions. Fractions that have the same denominator are called like fractions. Just look at these two fractions, 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. In both fraction, denominator is same, it is 3. So these fractions are called like fraction. Now comparison of like fractions. When the denominator is same, the fraction having the higher numerator is the greater fraction. Just look at this example. Compare 4 by 6, 1 by 6, 3 by 6 and 5 by 6. 4 by 6 means 4 part of whole which has been divided into 6 equal parts, and 1 by 6 means 1/6 part. 3 by 6 means 3/6 part, and 5 by 6 means 5/6 part. Now if you will make a close observation, you can easily know that 1 by 6 is smallest one, and then 3 by 6, and then 4 by 6, this one, and then 5 by 6. Next is unlike fraction. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Just look at these two fractions, 1 by 2 and 2 by 5. 2 and 5 both are different. So these fractions are called unlike fractions. Now comparison of unlike fractions. To compare the unlike fractions, first convert them into like fractions. So what to do for this? Just take this example, 3 by 4 and 2 by 3. We have to make these two unlike fractions into like fraction. So first step, what you have to follow? You have to find out the least common multiple of the denominators, means 3 and 4, or first multiple of 3 and 4. If you will find first multiple, it will be 12. And convert the given fraction to like fraction. Now you can make the denominator same, means you can write 12 in place of 3 and 4 both, because if you will multiply 3 in 4 you will get 12, and if you will multiply 4 in 3 you will get 12. So just do it. 3 by 4, multiply 3 in 4 to get 12. If you are multiplying 3 in denominator, you have to do the same multiplication in numerator also, otherwise the value of fraction will change. So it will be 9 by 12. Now if you want to make the denominator 12 in place of 3 in fraction 2 by 3, you have to multiply 3 by 4, and if you will multiply 3 by 4, you have to do the same multiplication in numerator also, and then you will get 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. Now you can easily find out that 9 by 12 is greater than 8 by 12, means 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 3. If this video helps you to understand fraction, like fraction and unlike fraction, like this video and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.